You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase from Latin. If you want to learn more Latin expressions, including especially biblical ones, make sure to stay tuned. They've got more videos for you coming up. Mater Dei, that's your Latin pronunciation. It means mater is mother and Dei is God. So the Mother of God is a title of course, the Virgin Mary. Mater Dei. In English, Mater Dei, or more, you can say it as Mater Dei, because Mater is a way of saying it exists in English, Mater, but the more Latin pronunciation is as Mater Dei. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.